Evaluate the limit as x approaches infinity of a polynomial over a polynomial. Now, whenever you're asked to find the limit as x approaches any of the infinities, this is what you're going to do. You're going to focus on the leading term divided by the leading term. Fortunately, I have the leading term on the bottom, and it's u. I don't have the leading term up on the top in the numerator yet, but this is how I can do it. Multiply the leading terms in each parentheses. That gets you 2x squared. Now, your next step is going to be simplifying as much as possible. The x squareds both cancel out, and 2 over 4 becomes 1/2. Now that I have that, I can say the limit as x approaches infinity of 1/2. What I'm going to do now is plug infinity into x. Well, wait a minute. There is no x. So there's no infinity for me to plug in. So since I'm not plugging in anything, I'm just going to get 1/2. So the trick with this is if you figure out that the degree in the numerator is going to be the same as the degree in the denominator, your leading coefficients when simplified is going to get you your limit as x approaches either of the infinities. Again, if the degree in the numerator is the same as the degree in the denominator, look for your leading coefficients, simplify them, and that's your answer right there.